another big back episode of this thing. By the way, we are doing a first person flight for my very first time. And as you can see, we already taken off. You know what? Let me just reset for y'all. Give me a second. Oh my god. RP item. Parachute. Oh my god. Parachute. Yes, I died. Okay, let me go to Greater Rock Fort for the stun. This is a bad episode. I'm sorry. This is a bad episode. Yes, this is part 1. I might do a part 2 later. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm recording. Even though I said I'm not gonna be recording. And I swear. I'm just gonna keep chasing your dreams, child. You're trying to be famous YouTuber. Just keep chasing your dreams. One day it will happen. Okay, which one? Boeing 7 now. Now where is it? Boeing this? I'm gonna try finding the airline that I usually fly. Yes. Southwest, okay. I'm sorry if you guys take Southwest. I'm gonna have to. I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. I'm so scared. Oh my god. What a freaking. Oh my god. I'm gonna be glad. We're not going to. Just kidding. I'm a professional. Use the grammar properly. I'm gonna fly this plane properly. Oh my god, no, look at me trying to be a big back and cheat. Probably big back edit. Oh my god. If I didn't know how to do an edit. Oh my god, I can't wait. We're almost at runway. Yo. Okay, let me tell you where you're going. Perth International. We're going to Perth International. So I won't be posting in 6 months. I delayed it. I will be posting again. This better give me subscribers or else I'm gonna quit YouTube. I'm gonna stop posting again for like 8 months, probably. I don't know. Bro, man, oh my god, I think I made a mistake. Oh my god, please, hurry. Oh my god, we're cooked. I am so cooked. Oh my god. Oh my god, please. Oh my god. Wait, did it work? Oh my god, it went over his head. Oh my god, that was such a great. Oh my god, baby. Oh my god. I'm gonna run into that thing. Okay, I messed up. I didn't hit it. Oh, it's over there. Yo, I'm going down. Quick. Okay, there we go. You're going 500 miles per hour. Let me go over that, like, right there. Okay. We're gonna have a little bit of turbulence. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of some turbulence. It's gonna be starting any second now. Turbulence. Mayday. Okay, no more mayday. That cold fire was fall. I was what? And the one of my phone. So. Oh my god. There's no big backs in this server. There's some big backs in the server. There's no big backs in this server. Turn around to the end. There's some big backs in this server. There's some big backs in this server. Oh my god. Jabba. Oh, I can back the rope. He's a big. I hope I don't lose subscribers for being cringe. Okay, I'm sorry for being cringe. Oh, guys, I forgot to say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. It's a day to celebrate Christ in the eggplant. Mostly Christ. Today is the day he rose from the dead. Today we celebrate him. And this is the day he got resurrected and rose from the dead. Amen. He died for us. He died for our sins. I know we miss him. We miss Jesus. One day he got earth, but he got resurrected. Yo, why am I going down? Bro, this is my first time doing first person also too. So, yeah. We are cruising at 700 feet. Actually, no. Let's go back to 1,000. Alright, that's good. Yo, we should start landing now. We want to start landing. Bro. Okay, it's because I'm playing on tablet. I'm playing on tablet and it's so hard to control for some reason. I'm not a PC user. I wish I have one, but I'm not using it. I'm right there. I'm going straight to first. Oh my god, I need to start getting land speed. Like about there. Oh shit, please come and do one landing this way. Oh, there is. Oh my god, I need to start getting land speed. Please. Welcome to Perth International, everybody. Wait, what? I'm stalling? Oh god, go up. Okay. Land speed. Okay, that should be land speed. Don't tell me about a stall. Oh my god, let's go stall. Bro, stop stalling. What do you want me to do? Yeah, there we go. Now I have land speed on. My gear is down, I believe. I hope so, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go out of first person for. I'm gonna see if I can do a butter. Actually, no. I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'm gonna go out of first person for that. And if I do a butter landing, then I'm gonna do a butter landing for a second. Okay, okay. In the comments, rate this landing 1 out of 10. Rate this landing 1 out of 10. All right, let's start getting out of first person. Oh god, please be a butter landing. It should be a butter landing. Yo, butter it, please. Oh god, it's a late approach. No, don't tail strike. It's my tail strike. Yes. No! What the heck? Yo, come on. Yo, I'm sorry. Yo, come on. What the heck? Okay, I did a butter landing, but I think I had a little bit of a late approach. Okay, let's start tacking to the gate. It started all butter, then I started going too fast. Oh, God damn it. Get off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's mine. Okay, this is the gate I need to land at. Oh my God, and here we go. We are going to go to the gate. Let's go. Let's go. This should be perfect. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Alright. Oh God. Well, too far. Go back. Okay, that should be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, my plan's been parked at the gate. Let's go. Not so easy to get in. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great Easter. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.